Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, sir. I'm fine. Tell me about yourself. How are you?
Yes, I'm very fantastic. And today we meet first time.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So, sir, I would like to know about yourself first. So, please introduce.
Yes, yes. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, thank you for asking me. My name is Bariya Tudu. I am from Jharkhand, district Dumka, and by profession I am teacher of primary school, and I have done graduation, my qualification, and my hobbies is talking to the people English language, and also I like teaching the children because I am teacher. Yes, that's all about me.
And
Okay.
that's a lovely introduction of yours, sir. So, I am very excited to know this that you are also teacher.
Yes, yes.
So, sir, are you government teacher?
Yes, yes. I am government teacher.
Wow, that's great. I'm also
Yeah,
a teacher, but I'm private school teacher.
yeah, yeah. Right, right. But teacher and a teacher, but both the same, not a difference. And in my school, this is the Hindi medium school. You know, Jharkhand is the going on the Hindi language. So the government school, it is the government school, and so this medium is running. This school is running Hindi medium.
Yes, yes, I can understand.
So I want to know the English language. I am beginner. I don't know so much English. So nowadays I am talking to the people English language for my speaking experience. So this kind of activity I do.
Wow, that's
Uh,
great, sir.
yeah. So, ma'am, in which medium do you teach to the student?
Actually, sir, I am teaching in CBSE board English medium school.
Yes, yes. Then you are very, very experienced of the English language because perhaps I watch your 2, 3 videos and you talk and you speak very good English. So I want to know about this that uh, since when since okay, sorry,
Yes,
how
yes,
long
I can
have you
understand.
been learning the English language?
Actually, yes, sir. You
Yeah.
know, I have been learning English language for 7 months. It's nowadays it's approximately 7 months, and I have started my journey in the mid of July, I can say. And since that time, I have been very consistent and persistent about my English practice. Just I'm doing speaking practice on daily basis as I'm doing right now. So this is the way of my learning, and in this way, by doing practice like this, I'm just achieving fluency in English day by day. And I'm not so much fluent and very good speaker. Sometimes I'm also doing mistake, but yes, I can say little by little. Now I'm able to recognize my mistake, and also I'm able to rectify my mistake.
Yeah,
Sometimes
yeah. Yes.
this is happened like during our speaking, during our conversation, we are making some common mistake that
Yeah, yeah.
we know very well, but sometimes it is happening, no problem. So,
Yes,
sir.
yes. It is not our mother tongue, so that it is happening sometimes. So, and in my side, there is I am teacher in village area, and there is no environment to the English learning. So, and in my school, there is a totally Hindi medium. So, when I get the time, that time I talk to the other person, English language. Otherwise, only I talk Hindi language in the school, and also my mother tongue is different. My mother tongue is Santhali. I belong to Santhal community.
Okay, okay, I can understand. Your mother tongue is
I am
Santhali.
tribal person. I am tribal.
Yes,
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 yes, yes.
I know very well. You know, there's a
So
Jat, Spiral Boy, and a Parsi. So their mother tongue is also, I think, Santhali, and they are also belonging to tribal community. I think.
tribal, yes.
Yes,
Santhal community, yes, yes.
yes, yes.
Yeah. And
That,
think that you spend in the school every day, and there is the environment to talk English language, and that's why you speak a good English language. And I I think that English learning, it is my fond. When I was child, that time I was studying in Hindi medium school. I could not learn English language that time. So I think that English learning, it is my big aim, that how I will learn the English language,
but
because I have two kids. I have two kids, and my daughter is studying in the Hindi medium school. So
okay.
in modern era, most of the children, they study in the English medium school.
Yes,
So
sir,
I
right.
think that English medium school now is happened uh, now happened very famous in our India. So I think that let's learn the English language myself, because if I will learn the English language, then I can teach my children English well. So that is the my aim, to learn the English language.
Wow, sir. And I am getting myself like so much inspired and motivated by listening your each and every word. And I must say about your ideas and thought, like it's quite amazing. And I also want to salute your passion and dedication toward this language, because without having any English environment at your surrounding, but you are learning by yourself and you are also speaking good English, you are so much comfortable. And as you are saying about myself, that I am getting English environment at my school, so not all the time, sir. Yes, I'm teacher, so in my class I'm mostly, I use English communication skill with my student, but not all the time that in school campus. Most of the time we are speaking our mother tongue with teachers, because there's other subject teacher also, they are not so much comfortable, so they are just comfortable in their mother tongue, so we have to also communicate with them in mother tongue. But yes, with my student, I always allow them to speak English only, just because I am an English teacher. So in my well, at least you are not allowed to open your mouth for Hindi talking. So like this. And as you are learning English language, and in future you can also help your kids to comprehend this language at least by yourself. So you are doing
Yes.
great job.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
are you practicing your English speaking with your kids?
My daughter is living in the hostel. When she come to school, to home, that time we talk each other little bit the English language. And also
Okay.
I teach her the grammar, how to learn the grammar. And grammar, I like grammar very good, because through the grammar I have learned the English language, because it is the root of me.
Yes,
So
yes, you are right.
yeah, okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So, would you like to discuss something about attitude? Sorry, not attitude, gratitude.
Yes,
Gratitude,
yes.
the habit of saying thanks, and the habit of to be grateful.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, yes.
So, would you like to say something about gratitude?
Yeah, yeah. I like.
Okay. Okay, sir. So, what do you like to do in your leisure time?
Sorry, ma'am.
Means in your free time, what do you like to do most?
Yes, in free time that nowadays I am practicing the English language for learning. So most of the time, extra time, uh, I do job to the speaking English language, and also other time maybe another work. So nowadays I do that. Yeah,
Okay. Means you are spending your time mostly on English communication. That's great.
yeah.
So, sir, with your, so how long have you been teaching as a government teacher?
Yes, there happened. I joined 2002 in my
Oh,
job. Yes.
okay.
Now
2002.
happened 24 years. My
Okay,
teaching
yes. Sir.
in the
It's
school.
so long. Means you are having a long teaching
So
experience,
long
I can.
time happened now.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So, sir, just tell me something about teaching method, like how to teach the student in good manner and how to attract the student towards study, according to your point of view.
Yes. Method of the teaching as per me in my school because uh, with lesson plan, a lesson plan and according to understand themselves. This and uh, nowadays it is called uh, student centralized.
Yes, sir. So, are you also making lesson plan? Means before entering
Yes,
the class? Yes, yes. We are
yes,
also doing
yes.
the.
Yes. Lesson plans I have to create, and with lesson plan I go to school and I start to teaching. I start to teach a student with the lesson plan because with lesson plan teaching to the student, it is happened effective teaching. So
Yes,
so student can understand very well and very easy uh, about the topic, which topic, and suppose that about I teach to the children about the water. Where is the source of water, and which kind of water good and bad, and uh, how to use water, like this, and everything in the world, everything in the in environment. So with
yes,
lesson plan to teach the student, it is happening effective teaching. So
yes, sir.
some teacher can make a lesson plan, and with lesson plan teaching, it is the effective teaching as per me.
Yes, sir. We are also making lesson plan always before entering the class. Means we are always making lesson plan for the next day, and like what we are about to teach tomorrow, like this. And after making lesson plan, then after observing the class, we have to mention observation also, like what did we observe in class, and then we have to mention learning outcome also, like how many students are able to learn this topic which we taught today itself, and how many students are not able. So we have to mention like this, like yes,
Yeah.
40% students able or 60%, like this. So yes, in this way, if we are mentioning learning outcomes, so the next day we can focus on those students means who are not able to understand the topic. So next day we have to revise the topic for them, like this. So
Yeah.
I am also doing the same thing, so that at least they can comprehend all the topics. And if we are not making lesson plan, we are not having a proper plan, so in this so we will not find the like reason behind their not understanding the things and all. And if we don't know about the student properly, So how can we teach properly? How can we make them understand properly like this?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yes,
are you
yes, right,
speaking
ma'am.
English to your student?
I'm okay. Okay, sorry, ma'am. Yes,
I asked
there is the
like,
network.
yes, yes,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
you know the picture is not clear. Your picture is blur always due to network issue, I think.
Oh, yes,
So are you speaking English with
yes,
your
yes.
student?
There is the network issue.
Yes, yes. So, sir,
Yes, 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 ma'am.
now it's okay, or again you are facing network issue?
Oh, now, hello.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello.
Yes, yes. Now it's okay.
No, sir, it's not okay. Your picture is sometimes stuck. At my place, network.
Oh,
Okay.
y-
So,
yes, yes. It may be network problem because there is the
yes,
interior area. So uh,
yes,
I
yes.
I think that it is a network issue. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now it's right.